Have you heard of Qlik but aren't sure what it actually does? This video is for you. I was once in your shoes and had no idea what Qlik was, but I'll now get you up to speed, and by the end of this video, you will know what Qlik is, where it stands in the market, who uses Qlik, and how you can get started learning Qlik as well. Qlik is a business intelligence and data integration software company. Business intelligence means turning data, like a sales database, into insight, like what are our best selling products over the last quarter in our southeastern US market. This helps businesses make better decisions, like which products to spend more money on to advertise or improve. Data integration means making data accessible and useful to any software platform. This includes moving lots of data from their original sources to a central place, like a data lakehouse, where it can all be cataloged, enhanced, and then pushed to other systems that need that data. Over the years, Qlik's primary products have been Qlik View, then Qlik Sense, then Qlik Cloud, but their current primary offerings are Qlik Cloud Analytics and Qlik Cloud. Qlik Cloud Analytics provides business intelligence, data analysis, and AI features to help you connect to, transform, visualize, drill into, react to, and share insights with others. With this product, you pay for data that you load into Qlik and data that you load into apps or dashboards. Qlik Cloud provides data integration features. This means that it provides features to help you connect, move, catalog, enhance, visualize, drill into, and share your data. With this product, you pay for the amount of data in gigabytes that you move using the platform. Both of those are cloud platforms, so infrastructure is managed all by Qlik. While Qlik Cloud is primarily a data integration platform, it does offer some of the same analytics features that you get in Qlik Cloud Analytics. Now, what other platforms or companies does Qlik compete with? How big a player is Qlik in the business intelligence and data integration markets? Qlik competes with companies like Salesforce, Microsoft, Google, and Informatica, though it's more like Qlik competes with specific products or platforms that those companies offer. For example, Qlik Cloud Analytics competes with the Tableau platform, which is owned by Salesforce. Despite those products being competitors in the market, Qlik is able to load data directly from Salesforce, so it's not a closed system. Qlik is considered a big player in the business intelligence and data integration markets, sitting at or near the top of industry rankings provided by Gartner and the Business Application Research Center, or BARC. Qlik has acquired several companies that will bolster its offerings in data integration and AI. Now, who is Qlik for? Who actually uses Qlik? Qlik is an extremely powerful platform, no matter the industry or company, so it's not limited to any particular group or type of organization. Since Qlik can be both simple to use but also used for complex data analytics, users of all skill sets can use Qlik. Business users, the folks that usually analyze data using Excel files, can use simple features in Qlik, like table recipes, to load prepared data into a dashboard, where they can drag and drop charts and tables onto the page. Data analysts, the people who usually use Python or SQL to analyze data and create reports, can use either SQL or Qlik's own syntax to do advanced data transformations to their data, and then use a built-in report builder that can share PDFs or documents via email, Slack, or Teams. Qlik also has a very fast analytics engine that lets analysts filter and drill into data and Qlik dashboards very quickly. Data engineers, the folks that use Python, SQL, and Apache Airflow to create SQL jobs and data pipelines, can replicate, transform, and move data using pipelines and data flows, integrating business systems by making data accessible while keeping it secure and findable. Managers, folks who need data for making high-level business decisions, can make use of the simple dashboard features that allow you to filter and drill into data just by clicking or searching. Managers can also receive automated alerts and reports from Qlik straight to their email inbox or phone. Everyday people, really anybody, can find insights in their data by using Qlik's easy interface and powerful engine. So how do you get started using Qlik? I got started using Qlik out of college, having never used it before. I learned a lot about Qlik by watching my colleagues solve problems for our customers using Qlik. Over time, I began to develop that same muscle for creativity and knowing which Qlik features to use and how to get the most out of those features. Now, you may not be able to easily do that in your situation. Perhaps you're even just a student in school still. But you can approximate my experience by taking advantage of several avenues, including the Qlik community and Arc Academy for Qlik. In the forums where other people ask questions about how to use and get started with Qlik, go through the threads and see how folks find the solutions. Eventually, you should chime in on these threads and start building that muscle of thinking about how to do things in Qlik. Those of you in university programs can apply to join the Qlik academic program, which allows educators and students to gain access to Qlik for free while they're enrolled. This is a huge unlock for students who want to get their hands on Qlik, especially if you want to get some hands-on experience with Qlik's features ahead of job interviews for roles that involve using the Qlik platform. You should also utilize the Qlik help site, as it is the documentation website for all of Qlik and Talent's features. It includes articles, how-tos, troubleshooting tips, and videos to help you figure out how and when to use Qlik features. To help you get better at Qlik along the way, check out my videos, articles, and discussions about Qlik on the Arc Academy for Qlik community on school.com. Just go to school.com and search for Arc Qlik to find it. You can also contact me on my website, arcanalytics.us, to get personalized help and resources. And this is just the start. Subscribe for the next video on how to pick your Qlik learning path, and join Arc Academy for Qlik to see more. Thanks for watching.